How to integrate email, calendar, and video calling applications on TFY's platform. To integrate your email, navigate to the left-hand side panel and click on Mail. You will then be prompted to choose between Gmail or Outlook. Select the email service provider you use for business purposes and proceed by entering your email address and password when prompted. After you enter your email address and password, you will be prompted to grant permissions to access specific details such as your name, email, and the list of emails you receive. Essentially, all of your emails will be imported onto TFY's platform. Additionally, you will have the capability to send mass emails to your contractors or candidates using this platform. To integrate the calendar, click on Calendar. You will have the option to integrate TFY with either Google Calendar or Outlook. Choose the platform you utilize for your business activities, and you will be all set. To integrate video calling applications, navigate to the settings and select Meet Integrations. We provide smooth integration with 3 platforms: Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. Simply select your preferred service, input your credentials, authorize the necessary permissions, and it will be available for use on TFY's platform. Thank you, and happy hiring.